Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Study Shift with Sudesh. This is chapter 1, the environment. In this video we will discussing about environment, component of environment, natural environment, biosphere, ecosystem and human made environment. So let us come with the first one, environment. Do you know the origin of environment? Okay, I tell you. The environment originated from French word environner, means neighborhood. Anything that surround any living organism is called environment. Look at this picture. Look the all surrounding where a living organism is called environment. Okay, everyone, please tell me which day is celebrated as a World Environment Day. I tell you the answer. World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June every year. Okay, moving to the next topic, component of environment. Look at this picture. Component of environment is divided into three parts: natural environment, human made environment, and human. I think this is clear to you all. In natural environment, air, water, land, and living things. If we are talking about the human interactions, individual, family, society, religion, education, political situation, and economics. If we are talking about the human made, there are parks, buildings, bridge, roads, and industries and monuments. So let us talk about the every topic in very brief. So moving to the next topic is natural environment. Look at this picture. Anything surround any living organism which was not made by humans is a part of natural environment. This is also a environment, and environment is also divided into two parts. Look at this picture. This is biotic and abiotic. If we are talking about the biotic, living organisms, these all are the living organisms, means pesticides, plants, animal, fungus, bacteria. If we are talking about the abiotic, these all are the non-living things, means water, soil, light, air and minerals. I think this is clear to all. Now moving to the next topic, the natural environment is classified into various dominants. Look at this picture. Look at carefully. These dominants are lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. And these are the dominants of natural environment. Once again I tell you that the atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere and biosphere. Let us describe about first one, lithosphere. Look at this picture. Lithosphere. Lithos means rocky. So let us talk with the lithosphere. It is the solid crust or the hard top layer of the earth. Look at this picture. In this picture, these are the three layers of the earth, and first layer is crust, second layer is lithosphere, and third one is the asthenosphere. It is made up of rocks and minerals and covered by a thin layer of soil. Look at this picture. It is an irregular surface with various landforms such as mountains, plateau, plains, valley, etc. This dominance provide us forests, grasslands for grazing, land for agriculture and human settlements. It is also a source of mineral wealth. I think this is clear to all. Again, we are moving to the next topic, hydrosphere. This is hydrosphere, and you all know that hydro means water. This is the water, or this is come in the category of water. Hydrosphere is the dominance of water. Look at this picture. It comprises various sources of water and different type of water bodies like river, lake, seas and ocean, etc. It is essential for all living organism. This is the river. Moving to the next topic, atmosphere. Atmos means vapor. The atmosphere is the thin layer of air that surround the earth. Look at this picture. These are the different layer of the earth, air. Look at this. These all are the layers. It consists of a number of gases, dust and water vapor. Look at this picture. It protects us from the harmful rays and scorching heats of the sun. I think this is clear to all. Now moving to the next topic, biosphere. Look at this picture. Bio means life. The living word is called biosphere. The plants and animals kingdom together make a biosphere. It is a narrow zone of the earth where land, water and air interact with each other to support life. Now coming to the next topic, ecosystem. It is a system formed by the interaction of all living organisms with each other and with the physical and chemical factor of the environment in which they live, all linked by transfer of energy and material. Means it is same like as the food chain. The transfer of energy and their material. So look at this picture. All plants and animal and human being depend on each other and their intermediate surrounding from an ecosystem. There could be an ecosystem of large rainforest, grassland, desert, mountains, lake, river, ocean, and even a small ponds. You clearly look at this picture. This is the sun, and this is important for the photosynthesis, and they get release their heat by this process, and they create a food chain. So this is the ecosystem, or you can say all living things depend on their surrounding and also on each other. Now moving to the next topic, human environment. Look at this picture. There are different things shown in this picture. This is the natural, non-living, man-made and living. So we are talking about the human-made environment. As name suggests that human beings interact with the environment and modify it according to their needs. With time, human needs grew and become a more varied. Humans learn new way to use and change environment. They learn to grow crops, domesticated animals, and led a settled life. The wheels was invented, surplus food was produced, and barter system emerged. Trade started and commerce developed. Industries revolution enabled large scale of production. Transportation became faster. Information revolution made communication easier and speedy across the world. These all things are made by human. Table, fan, house, pencil, bridge, car, etc. I think this is clear to all. And one more thing also I want to discuss with you. Look at this picture. These are the natural resources and man-made resources. This is the differentiate between these two. whenever look at the picture, you looked at the natural resources are those which are natural without interference of human, and man-made thing resources are totally depend on man because they are made by the man. So I think this is clear to all, and please like, share and subscribe my channel.